Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out any of our updates. Now coming back to our video. So today we are going to alter our old cups with the alcohol ink. Now you must be thinking alcohol ink, then why am I using this plastic sheet? Okay, so whenever alcohol ink gets on any of the surfaces, it is very difficult to remove it. So here I have just put up a plastic sheet just to make sure that my table is safe. Now here is an old ceramic cup. I have really cleaned it very well and I'm trying my level best to keep it as dry as possible before starting my work. So this is very important. Do not miss out on these basic steps. So once I am done with the cleaning work, I'll start using my alcohol ink. But before that, we need to use our blending solution. So as it was getting difficult for me to do it with my blending solution jar, the bottle, so I have taken up some of the blending solution in a container. With a brush I'm going to use it, and once I'm happy with the spread out of my blending solution, I'm going to start pouring my alcohol ink. The moment you start adding your alcohol into your blending solutions, the results are amazing. Now enjoy this process and I hope you will love it.
J'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter, de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, de doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter, de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, de doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter, de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, de doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter, de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer.
So here I'm just going to dry this up with my heat gun and I'm done. Of course, I'm going to seal this with my varnish and we are done and we are good to go. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Do check out all the supplies on our website at growingcraft.com. Enjoy crafting, happy shopping, take care and bye-bye.